Hi, I'm Paul from Velo Works, and I've mentioned before, rim brakes aren't dead. I'm going to tell you why, from a practical, on-the-ground point of view, why in 2025, rim brakes aren't dead. This is the final word. I won't have anyone saying anything else. Here's why. So here's a selection of wheels from a week of wheel building at Velo Works. Here's a tasty RR511 DT Swiss rim, semi-aero. Lovely. I've ridden these myself. They're really nice on a 240 DT Swiss hub. The video is not long enough for how long this will spin for. Absolute beaut. We sent the customer a rear last year. He must like it because he's ordered a front. Beautiful track wheels, single speed wheels, radially laced front wheel with DT Swiss track hubs, utter beauties, logos all nicely lined up. H+ Sun archetype rims. Absolutely love these rims. I started wheel building with them and I just love them. DT Swiss rim tape, tubeless goodness, great, ready to go. So here we have another set of single speed wheels, this time for fixed or free. So you can have a fixed gear at the back or a free wheel. They are lovely Brick Lane bikes or BLB King hubs on H+ Sun archetype rims, 28 spokes front, 28 spokes rear. I should say that the other way around. 28 spokes front, 28 spokes rear, and ready for tubeless setup if required. Great wheels, all in black, DT Swiss competition spokes with Prolock brass nipples. A lovely set of semi-aero road wheels. Well, they will be a lovely set once I build the other one, as it's still yet to be built. But this rear is going to be the same as the front. It's got a DT Swiss RR511 semi-aero 32mm deep rim, 24 hole, 24 spokes on the back, 20 hole, 20 spokes on the front. Front will be radially laced, and this one has some nice Miche Primato Syntesi hubs, and it will just go on and on and on. Again, competition spokes and Prolock brass nipples. How long you got? And to finish off our roundup of rim brake wheels, we've got a classic RR511 with Shimano hubs. This is the front. It's got 32 spokes for those old school people that like to have a good spoke count. Rims are rated up to 130 kilograms, tubeless ready, good to go. I've still got the rear to do and get them out of the door. So that rounds up a great week of rim brake wheels here at Velo Works, and why I think that rim brakes are not dead. What else have I done? I have done some disc brake wheels this week. I've also finished off a BMC rim brake bike build with Di2. So they're very much alive on the ground. There's lots of people talking about how they're gone or how they might be back, but it's on like a 9 gram bike. But day to day, people are still using rim brakes. Most of our bikes are rim brakes. We love it, as well as disc brakes, but they're definitely not dead. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.